Father, let me tell you something. For once, I see mama over the pipe and I see him, you know. He don't tell me one thing. Then me shut down like one computer, one laptop. I want him better than her. Show me that. No matter how you tell people, say me are the worst somebody per earth, girl. Remember me tell you, girl. You are the worst somebody me ever date. But let me tell you one thing. I had to meet you, come here. Me have to meet you. You are the best thing that ever happened to me in my life. See the way I meet you, still feel the same. Still love you the same. Still all of that. You see, man, when I meet in a courtroom and I say, I did. You understand me? I did. And when I say me did. Because even after you do me the worst, sitting them in the earth, me love you enough for don't hurt you. Same way. Me no lay a finger upon you. Me no do nothing like that a blood clot. Me no care you go court. Me no care you go do none of that. I prove to you. So you see, when me did say, all of me, I love you, and for me, I do, it was true. The whole world could have said, I love you, bro. But I'm glad you show the whole world. I'm glad you show the whole world, bro. What kind of fucker you be in my life, bad man. I'm glad say, you tell everybody, say, I'm me a narcissist, and you prove yourself to be just that. You understand me? Oh yeah, I still have naked picture in my phone the other day. And I delete them because I'm big on you. You look a girl. You understand what I'm doing? You look up at me. So look up at me, I got to look up at me things. You see me I say? Yeah man, but one thing I have to tell you. I'm bigger than you and I made it blood clot love you for true. You don't know nothing about love. You're a bitter little girl that walk up and down in the earth. You understand me? Let me tell you something. Remember say how much people meet we in a real life already. I will carry her, go around them and every one of them will call me and attest to me. No, say a lie, you blood clotted. And you, they just eat me for real and just get up and just hurt me for no reason at all. Me not stoop to your level none at all. Because you are that the butch girl that will sit up on phone and laugh about putting out my naked pitch to them. Me left it 2 hours not to blood clot gun. Me not left you to courthouse. Me not left you to none of that. You and the same butch girl there. When the 2 hours sit up on phone and laugh and giggle and put out me naked video them and video with you and fuck me you. And shit me left to God. Una karma. Me say on the karma go worse than what you do me father. Me I tell you that straight. Me say me I tell you that straight, mama. Me I worse, alright? Yeah I worse, mama. Because I worse somebody may have a blood clot. Because why would you take up somebody naked video and put them out and then blame them? Are you are the reason why your marriage end? You know who fuck up your marriage? You fuck up my marriage. The cheating and the going out. The same girl where you live with right now. And the same girl you cheat on me with for 2 years. You're the woman there for 2 years. All that 2 years they come in. Me ain't not even divorced a month. Not even a month now. Eh? Bomb bucket. Mama say me a narcissist, bro. But the only reason why I continue to talk about the naked picture, you show me a show or something. You say me hate you. Where? You should be in jail. But you not. You and your butch girl, where you have the phone and laugh off of me naked picture. You want to hear she and the butch on the phone and laugh, you know. No, I never like that. Hear the butch now, hear the butch now. I want to take up in your boss boy, your girl, your boss boy, your girl. And you know your woman that treat you so good and your woman love you. I want to take you for boss boy, your woman. Hear she now. No, somebody need to do that. No, sir. No, somebody do that. I mean, listen to them. Me listen to them. So to feel like I even need to go and laugh, son. When you think every day you're going to laugh off one human being, so one day people are going to laugh off a woman, man, believe. Parry, me say one day I go come out one time and other people are laugh off a man. You can set me everything in the book, but you approve that you are, you know. And you approve that you are. You say me a narcissist and you approve yourself to be one. And you are the only narcissist me know. Mama, you tell the most bumbuckler lie and you do the most fuckery to people. And to be honest, you when me meet him, I console you like one baby. When you tell me how the you would put out a video with you and suck him hood and him a fuck you. And what me do? Me hug you and tell you, say, yo, them things they soft, mama. You see me? Them the people are weak. A weak people do them sitting there. Because if you and him do sitting upon one tape and him can put it out to the whole world, he never rate you from first time. You see me? I say, I'm a consoler. I make sure know I say, mama, that soft man. 6 years later, mama do it to me. Bumbuckler! Yo, Parry. Me so forward, the book writer already, you know. Me say, mama, I know me can't believe it. She, one boy put her out, her boyfriend put her out. I suck him hood and I fuck her up on tape. Never speak of it yet, me never speak of it. Never. Never in my life, youth. The other the dog put her out, she ball and she said the worst thing that could have ever happened to her, and she and the boy, and 6 years later she put out, the boy put out 1 with she, a 5 she put out with me. Mama put out 4 with me, I play with myself, and 1 with she, I fuck me. Even I'm me a narcissist now, my mama hurt people. You hear that? I love you too, man. I want to you. I say hurt people. Because when me meet you, you have a sex tape out of a man drop for you. Me don't know which part of our video there, you know. I don't know which part of our video there. I have never seen her. Me never see. Because as our spouse, me never did I go search for no video which she a suck no wood. A man a fuck her up on tape. You see me? Hurt people, man. And one time I realized that the boy put her out and then you come put me out. And who did wrong in that the situation? Where you do the youth? Where you do the youth? Huh? Bumbuckler people. Me I tell you. That you do. Why? You feel so bad when the youth put out a video with him and have sex with you and a fuck you. But you felt so good for you and your butch sit down on phone and laugh about putting me out. Make it make sense, bro. Make it make sense. Then you go write paragraphs about me, a point finger upon me. Go seek help, girl. You need therapy. You say me need therapy at 8 months, me not therapy now. 8. You need therapy because you're hurt. And anybody where you feel like you're not hurt, you're bitter. You are a bitter little girl. Mr. Father, one time the girl do it to me, I couldn't believe it. Remember, I said this is the same girl where one man drop a sex tape with her. Oh, you mean, I mean, I have to seek therapy. She bitter. She's a bitter little girl. And I try show the whole world like she not bitter. Why you point fingers for me for? Me. When did I have naked this are you too? You're bitter. You are a bitter human being. And no get Barry. And stop that. Stop walking around and tell blood clot people about oh your girlfriend better than me. That bitch don't know nothing about me. You hear that? You see the things that mommy stay with you for? That drunk crowd wouldn't stay with you. You hear me? A fool me fool. A blood clad fool me fool. Always remember that. Remember say everybody know the truth. But we. Your girlfriend would have never stay with you after she lay down in our house and watch you ball over a man for how much in days. Your girlfriend wanna stay with you after you make shirts and go out with him and go celebrate him life with the whole of your friend them. Sleep over the mama yard and go funeral. Remember good no man, don't ever compare nobody to me, man. What I do and what me stay through, all heap of people wanna stay through it. You hear that? No girl no better than me. I'm the strongest soldier you did blood clot there with. Because no matter how your blood clot deal with me like shit in the house, them stay. Me did love you, you fuck, bro. So every fuck you when you do me in the house, then me used to take it. I want to be used to thump in your face and tell everybody about, oh, yeah, me an abuser. No. You manipulate my mind and fuck with me emotions and kill me emotionally. You see me? So when you walk and paint them picture, you me that paint them good, bro. Paint them good, father. Paint them and tell them what up me youth. You see me? Me have to sit down and watch you be a girl and not a wife. Me have to watch you do that. Go in a bathroom, go shake body and then cock you up in Atlanta. Me have to watch that. Me have to watch you be a loose girl while me did a be a wife, a yard, a cook, and a take care of pitney. So don't come compare no bumbo clock body to me. You hear me? I tell you, you can't compare nobody to me. You just make sure, say, everybody where you say better than me, stay through all of the fuckery them where you are going to do them. And I hope when time the day come when your time to get fucked, you get it in peace and do it.